Can I still do witchcraft without herbs or crystals? Many practitioners of witchcraft use herbs and crystals to help them harness these energies for various purposes, such as healing, protection, and manifestation. However, what if you don't have access to herbs or crystals, or simply don't feel drawn to using them in your practice? The good news is that witchcraft is an incredibly diverse and adaptable practice, and there are many ways to engage with it without relying on these traditional tools. First, it's essential to understand that the power of witchcraft comes from within you, not from any external objects. Herbs and crystals can be powerful aids in your practice, but they are not the source of your power. Your own energy, intention, and connection to the natural world are what make your spells and rituals effective. So, even without herbs or crystals, you can still practice witchcraft by focusing on developing your inner power and connection to the elements. One of the fundamental aspects of witchcraft is the belief in the power of intention. Spells and rituals are essentially focused intentions that are sent out into the universe to manifest change. By focusing your thoughts and emotions on your desired outcome, you can create a powerful energy that can bring about the change you seek. Meditation and visualization techniques can be incredibly helpful in honing your intention-setting skills, allowing you to practice witchcraft without needing any physical tools. Another essential aspect of witchcraft is working with the elements, earth, air, fire, and water. Each element has its unique energy and can be called upon in your spells and rituals to help you achieve your goals. You don't necessarily need herbs or crystals to connect with the elements. Instead, you can work with them directly through meditation, visualization, or by spending time in nature. For example, you can meditate by a river or the ocean to connect with the element of water, or light a candle to connect with fire energy. One simple way to practice witchcraft without herbs or crystals is through the use of sigils. Sigils are symbols that are created to represent a specific intention or desire. By creating your own sigil and focusing your energy on it, you can harness the power of your intention to manifest change in your life. To create a sigil, simply write down your intention, then remove any repeating letters and vowels. Use the remaining letters to create a unique symbol that represents your intention. Focus on this symbol while visualizing your desired outcome, and then release the energy into the universe. Another option for practicing witchcraft without herbs or crystals is through the use of words and affirmations. The spoken word can be a powerful tool in manifesting your intentions, as it helps to solidify your thoughts and emotions into tangible energy. By speaking your intentions aloud or writing them down, you can create a powerful connection between your thoughts and the physical world. You can also incorporate affirmations into your daily routine, repeating positive statements that align with your goals and desires. While herbs and crystals can be valuable tools in your witchcraft practice, they are not the only means of accessing and utilizing the energies of the natural world. By focusing on developing your inner power, setting clear intentions, and working with the elements directly, you can still practice witchcraft effectively without the need for these traditional tools. Remember that your own energy and connection to the universe are the most important factors in your practice, and with dedication and focus, you can achieve your desired outcomes no matter what tools you choose to use.